So when you first start buying all the things for your camper, you're gonna see there's a ton of things out there that are recommended to you. And this sewer hose support kit might be one of them. Now there's all kinds of designs on the market, and honestly, it kind of depends on what type of camping you're wanting to do. If you're gonna be staying on any kind of full hookup sites, this is where this little thing will come into play. Now, essentially you can buy this in varying lengths. This is Camco Sidewinder. It's kind of the OG design. Some of these brands really overcomplicate some of these out there. They've got some of them out there that have legs, you name it out there, and they can really get up there in price. This one here comes in at a very attractive price in terms of what's available out there on the market. It's just an accordion style. It does what it's supposed to do. It's not overcomplicated. Super compact. It stores right here in the side bin very easily for me. Honestly, you could pick these things up in a couple different lengths. You can pick these up in sections that'll accommodate up to a 10-foot sewer hose all the way up to a 30-foot. This is the 30-foot model here, and what's nice about going with the 30-foot is even if you're only using 10-foot of hose, this still works really well for you. Now it does have this little strap to kind of help keep everything together like so. It also kind of doubles as a carrying strap here as well. And then what's also really cool about this is if you get it in the mud and you want to kind of get it cleaned up a little bit before you store it back in your bay, you can just easily hose this thing off. It cleans up really nice, and then you're back on the road going again. So if you are doing any kind of full hookups camping sites and you're looking for a way to support that sewer hose and keep the water flowing through that thing really well instead of it just standing in the hose, check out the support kit made by Camco Sidewinder. See if it might fit the bill for you. Other than that, that's all I've got for you in this review, guys. Appreciate you taking the time to watch. We'll catch you guys on the next one.